Hey friends, welcome to another episode of SMARTDrive. This is your host Vishwajit. Today we will be having a quick look how you can change the dashboard background color of Suzuki Brezza. Claimed to be 2018's bestseller, Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza is having a sportier looks as well having a better ride comfort. Let's get started to have some awesome features of this car. In the Maruti Brezza, you have two control knobs just like Sia's, and we have the left one for the trip meter and other settings, and right hand side knob is for multi-purpose use. You can twist it as well push it to change each and every setting as per your preference. To change the background color of the dashboard panel, you need to twist the right hand side control knob so that you will have this message on the control panel. It's showing that you are in the color setting. Now you just need to press the knob to change the colors. 2018 variant is providing 5 different color settings. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Color 1 is the white, then orange, yellow, the blue, and the color 5 is nothing but the red. To confirm the same, you need to press the trip meter knob. So this was the quick episode how to change the background color of the dashboard of Suzuki Brezza. In case you have any doubts, kindly comment below. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Visit our official website smartdrive333.com. Thanks for watching.